Okay, so this is a quick build video outlining my entry to the 7th Fieldhouse challenge. The challenge is called Tug of War and the rules are simple. Maximum size of the robot is 250 by 250 by 250 millimeters. Maximum weight is 500 grams including the batteries. The robot must only be powered by 4 AA batteries. The ways to win are to get 100% of your robot into the green zone or to get further from the centre line of your opponent after 1 minute. Ways to lose are enter into the red zone or enter into the opponent's blue zone, or the rope detaches from your vehicle or touches your vehicle. Simple. Let's get to it. So the plan is to design and build the Tug of War machine for the FEng challenge in one night. The time now is 10 to 7. Let's get going. So I've already thought about it a little bit and I've got all my components ready. First job will be to measure up all the components and transfer them into a virtual universe that is SolidWorks. Okay, so it's taken me a total of 42 minutes to draw up all of those components here. I got distracted, because a delivery driver came and it wasn't actually for us, it was for the unit next door, so that knocked at least 30 seconds off my time. But there you go, all of the components are now drawn up. Now I need to actually create the chassis to link them all together.
Five hours later.
Okay, so it's now 10 past 12. I'm feeling pretty damn tired, so I think I'm probably going to leave it here. So it's been 5 hours, 20 minutes of designing, which took about 2 hours, and then wiring and getting set up for 3D printer and all that jazz. Mostly wiring really took the other 3 hours and 20 minutes, which is crazy. So here we go. This is all the wiring set up here. It looks like an absolute mess because it is. But I've tested it out and it all works. So once this finishes its print, then we're good to go. Okay, so the time is now 10:30 on the second evening of work, which means this has taken me 9.5 hours to put together in total. But here we are, so it's all looking good. The only thing that didn't go to plan, which is a bit of an oversight, was this micro switch here, the one that the sucker pad rests on. Obviously, it's not heavy enough to kind of push it back when it's just balancing on the teeter-toiter. So I had to get a rubber band and put it over the unused exhaust of the vacuum pump there to pull it back. And then when it falls down, there's that white cord on it which pulls it out the other way. So that's been working pretty well in testing. I've got my little wheels on. They're only PLA, so they're quite rigid wheels. Ideally, I'd have kind of rubber wheels or something like that, but for now, I've just got PLA. I might change them out. I've done a bit of testing on the bench with the current controller. This is the first time I've put actual batteries in it. Sprinty sucker. Testing Mark 1. 3, 2, 1. Oh! Right, I'm going to attempt to actually control it this time. So I've got the Tug of War rope here, is going around the bent screw inside that bearing. And the idea is that when that gets taut, hopefully it'll go into vacuum mode after sprint mode. Right, let's go for it. 3, 2, 1, go! God, it's pretty erratic off the line. But hey, it's doing it. Look. Oh! It's pretty good. I don't know if you can see that. Suddenly got a little bit less good. What's going on there? Oh, it's because it's quite a dusty floor. It's like, yeah, there's quite a lot of dust on there. The vacuum is not forming a good seal, but well, the concrete's going to be the real test because that's what it's actually going to be on. Okay, so first test on concrete. I haven't swept the floor or anything like that, so it's probably going to be abnormally dusty. I'm getting the excuses over and done with. There's also a pipe over there and drill and etc. But I'm hoping that this rope will become taut before it hits all that. So let's go for it. 3, 2, 1, go! God. It does sprint off the line pretty well. It goes so erratically though. Oh, I'm putting pretty high force on that. The whole thing is lifting off the floor there. Ah, it's not bad. That is not bad at all. Hey, for revision 1, who needs to optimise it? It works perfectly. Come on, that's good.